Hi, my name is Tammy. My son Noah is 6 years old. He is deaf. Noah was originally born with hearing, but on his third birthday he was diagnosed with sensory neural hearing loss in both ears. And over the past 3 years he has progressively lost all of the hearing. Noah's an amazing child and incredibly smart, but we knew that he was going to come across many difficulties with his education because of the deafness. Two of the issues that we dealt with happened last year when we first registered him for school. Originally, our school district told us that their philosophy for communication was oral only. My son communicates both verbally and using American Sign Language. That wasn't acceptable to us. We wanted to make sure that his individual education plan included American Sign Language as a support. The second thing that we realized with Noah was that, or with the school district, was that there was a lack of experience and training from the staff in reference to deaf education. We knew if we didn't do something about that, that was going to impact his education greatly. So it took many months and many meetings for us to convince our district that my son's language and communication needs needed to be incorporated into his individual education plan. It's now been a year. Noah currently receives services from the American School for the Deaf with a teacher of the deaf who is with him full-time. As a result of this, he's excelling in school. But even bigger than that, the school district has now started to change its culture and the way it thinks about educating deaf children. American Sign is now used in both their art program and in their music program, and all of the first grade students are currently learning American Sign Language right along with my son. So this is a success story, but it's not always the case for other families. So I want to urge the legislators to please pass a Deaf Child's Bill of Rights. Language and communication modes need to be considered when designing individual education plans. If you pass a Deaf Child's Bill of Rights, you are guaranteeing that all deaf and hard of hearing children are going to be guaranteed a free and appropriate public education that is equal with that of their hearing peers. Thank you.